Hi, I'm Praveen from CodeWithPraveen.com. I'm really glad to announce a new mini course on fundamentals of programming languages for beginners. In case you're looking for a direction to learn the fundamentals, or you want to understand the coding concepts, or if you are looking for a helping hand to learn the basics of programming, then this course is for you. This course has been made specifically for freshers who are looking for their job as a software engineer, as well as experienced non-IT professionals. At the end of this course, you will have a basic understanding on the fundamentals of programming languages. You don't require any programming language to start with this course. In this entire course, we will take you through the programming fundamentals such as programming, the pseudocode, and then you will learn about the loops, functions, exceptions, comments, and lots of quizzes. So just head over to the link shown in the link below and then just click on the Enroll button to get started. Either you can create a new account here or you can just sign up with your LinkedIn or Google account. Let's get started. See you in a course video.